Welcome back. You will encounter lists inside of some of your pages. In other cases, you will want to do those lists yourselves. And so you'll want to know how to do this in HTML. And so to do that, we're going to highlight our cursor here and we're going to head down to this area where we start the actual list. And the list is opened with a header tag. And that header tag is going to look something like this. And you're going to see the letters UL. And that UL stands for unordered list. And that unordered list has a certain style. And we have that style written in here. And then we have all of the items inside of the list. And then the UL tag which closes. Now each individual line within the list is a new line and it's headed by two tags. You'll see the opening tag, LI, with brackets, and then the closing tag, LI with brackets again. You'll see that pattern repeat with each line inside of the list. And the LI tag simply indicates it's going to be the next line inside of your list. In addition to the unordered list, we can also do an ordered list. And to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to head to the open tag. And what we're going to do is we're going to change the U to an O. We're going to change the word style to the word type. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put in a quotation. And we're going to indicate what kind of ordered list that we want. We can choose to do an ordered list with a capital letter. We can choose to do an ordered list with the number 1. We can choose to do an ordered list with lowercase letters also. And we can choose to do our ordered list with Roman numerals. Now in this case, Dreamweaver is giving us a choice, but even if we did not have that choice, we could write in the type of list that we want. So for example, we could go in here and we can decide that we want an ordered list with a lowercase letter. And we're going to write in the letter A, and we're going to put in our quotations. Now what we're going to need now, obviously, is we're going to need a closing tag for the OL. So we're going to head down to the bottom of the list, and we're going to close out the tag with the OL. When we click inside of the WYSIWYG editor, you're going to notice that the list then changes to one that's ordered by the letters, lowercase. Now again, we can go back, we can change this ordered list to Roman numerals. In that case, we'll then write in here and you'll see the list is going to reorder itself by Roman numerals. And that is how you work with lists inside of HTML. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.